Language radar contact, mile and a half southwest, actually 2 miles southwest of the home freeway Town Airport. Go ahead and climb, maintain 2000, and you clear into Wellington Field, the present position direct. Expect runway 22, information X-ray extra.
Okay, climb, maintain 2000, we'll go direct to Wellington, 5 uniform takeoff.
From 5 uniform Tango, today you want the ILS approach or you just want a visual approach?
You know what, I don't know if we get the visual or not, we'll just plan the ILS for now.
Play that.
1,000 to go, 900 to go.
Uniform Tango, Roger, then turn 5 degrees to the right and join the localizer.
Okay, 5 degrees right, to join the localizer, 5 uniform takeoff.